Hello, ESL 88 students. Today we're finishing up Chapter 9. There were a few words in there that we'll talk about, and then we have some other grammar to go over here and vocabulary. But the first one is biomimetics. So to mime something is to copy something, and biology. So you're going to take something, probably maybe from an animal, and you're going to use it and see, well, it works well for that animal or that bird or that thing. So we'll use it to make something. So the wings of birds, airplanes, you notice that they're flexible, so very much copying something that comes from nature. Synonyms, we'll be talking about finding definitions. When you're writing, it's not always good to say the same word constantly. So finding the right synonym can make your writing much more interesting. So you want to find the right definition of that synonym because remember, not all words mean the same thing. And if you look in a thesaurus, it will tell you the different ways of like house, home, car, automobile, vehicle. So it will tell you the right definition because sometimes they're not exactly the right definition, not what you want anyway. Now, sometimes from another language, if your language is close to English or you have those words in the language, they can change meaning. I'll give you some examples. We say you attend class. Now, some people, when they're translating, they say assist class, but that's not the same thing. So assist means to help something, help somebody. So it's not the right word to use. Then pollution. Pollution to us means dirty water, dirty air, maybe noise or something. In Spanish, it's this one. So this is not exactly the same thing. Contamination is, let's say now they're telling you to wash your hands carefully because of bacteria or viruses. So let's say I don't wash my hands and I touch something, maybe a little bacteria or virus got on that. So that's contamination to us. So it's not exactly the same thing. Then be very careful when you abbreviate things in English. And I'm not going to put the abbreviation up here. I'm going to let you guess what that is. But when you want to abbreviate this thing, just be careful where you stop it because you can say a word that you don't want here. Then we'll also talk about how words can have so many definitions, so many meanings. So light can be a light. There's a light on. Okay, but it can also be not heavy. So lots of different meanings. Now, leaves can be a verb, right? I leave, you leave, depart. But it can also be the plural of leaf, where we change that F to a V-E-S. We do that sometimes, remember? So leaf, leaves, wife, wives, elf, elves. We do that. Knife, knives. So if you want to look up the words, make sure you look in the thesaurus and it will probably tell you the right way to use these different words. So that's what I have for you for today. And we will finish up this lesson this week. So have a good day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.